Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's November, my birthday month, and what better way to start November than a birthday shopping haul? So I'm one of those people जिसको अपने birthday के लिए बहुत excitement होती है and मेरी birthday shopping 1.5-2 months पहले से शुरू हो जाती है. So there's a bunch of stuff that I've already bought for myself for my birthday. Of course, a few birthday dresses and a few bags that I'm going to share with you and something more. I have a few dresses from Savannah. And then I have something from H&M, and I'm also going to show you 2 bags that I got for myself. So let's quickly dive into it. I am a big time online shopper. मुझे offline shopping इतनी पसंद नहीं है जितनी मुझे online shopping पसंद है because it's way more comfortable and बहुत सारे और options होते हैं as compared to offline shopping. So one of my favorite brands when it comes to shopping for dresses is Savannah. I buy many dresses from Savannah because I feel that they have something for everyone. Kafi trendy dresses at very reasonable prices. So generally starting from 15,000 to 3,000. The general price range for buying a dress from Savannah is 1,500 to 3,000. उसमें you will get a very pretty dress. I think काफ़ी सालों से मैं अपनी birthday dresses Savannah से खरीद रही हूँ and it's been great so far. What I'm wearing is also from Savannah actually. Such a pretty dress, isn't it? खुद की तारीफ खुद ही कर लेनी चाहिए. But this is not for my birthday. Let me show you what I've gotten for my birthday. So starting off with this is a very pretty lemon colored dress. Let me quickly wear this and show it to you. So up close it looks like this. Let me show you in the mirror. Here's a closer look in the mirror. It's a very pretty lemon yellow color and I think it's a perfect day dress. I feel like if I color block this with a bright colored bag, say a green or an orange, it would really stand out, make it a statement. Let's see how I eventually end up styling it though. So if it's a lunch or something around the day, I would love to wear this color. But if you're going somewhere in the night for like a dinner or a party, then I would love to wear something like this. This is such a pretty dress. Let me quickly wear this and show it to you. This is how it looks on me. It has all of these beautiful pearls on the sleeves. I feel like it's kind of unique yet very classy. And of course I wanted to have something in red for myself. A little confession, I've already worn this dress once, but it's still my birthday shopping because पहले मैंने सोचा था that I might wear this on my birthday, but कुछ ना कुछ आ जाता है and you have to wear a new dress and then you can't really wait. So I couldn't wait and I've already worn this. But if I run out of dresses for my birthday, then I would definitely opt for this one. Let me quickly wear this and show you how cute it is. It is such a beautiful red. Just look at the little bows that it has on its sleeves. The length of this dress is also pretty stunning. I feel like you can wear it during the daytime or the nighttime depending on the mood. Plus it's very cute. I think it's one of the prettiest dresses that I have. Here's a closer look for you all. And lastly, I have this brown dress. It's gorgeous. I love neutrals. I feel the classiest you can look is in the neutrals. And I love how this dress fit me like a glove. Just look at how gorgeous the fit is. It's giving those vintage corset vibe. And it really does fit like a glove. So this was it for the dresses that I've got for my birthday. Now let's move on to the bags. The first one is from Coach. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen the unboxing of this. Because as I said, I don't wait for my birthday to come. मैं 1-1.5 महीने पहले से अपनी shopping शुरू कर देती हूँ. So of course, unboxing already हो चुकी है, but let me show you the bag up close. It's the Coach Bandit. This is such a universal color. I think this is going to be one of those bags that I will use a lot because I can style it with literally everything. It goes with everything, and that is why I wanted to go with something that is neutral. You know how much I love gold detailing on bags, and I found this. It was kind of love at first sight. It's a crossbody. Everything is beautifully done. The leather is amazing. On the inside it looks like this. I wouldn't say that it holds a lot of stuff, It's not very spacious, but it's a tiny bag, and for that it has enough compartments so I can keep my cash and the essentials, everyday essentials that you need to carry. If you're looking to buy something like this costed me 45,000, and given it's my birthday, I really don't care how much anything is costing. I'm sure you guys love it as much as I do, and you're going to see me wearing this very, very often. Next, I have a bag from Michael Kors. Now you guys know that I have a thing for quilted bags, right? Now till the time I can't get my hands on my dream Chanel, I'm making do with the Michael Kors one. Honestly, it looks even better in person than it looks in pictures and on video. Plus, it is very spacious. Given कि मैंने ये दोनों bags एक साथ खरीदे थे, I wanted this one to be a little bigger, so it holds in a lot of stuff. You should always fill up the bags so that they don't lose their shape. On the inside, it looks like this, and it's very spacious, it's big, and it can hold in a lot of stuff. The quality is very, very good. वैसे तो it's a shoulder bag, but it can easily be turned into a crossbody. Now you can use it as a crossbody also. Next, we have something from H&M. I ordered some new loungewear for myself. ये मैंने अभी तक open नहीं किया है. I'm actually unboxing it with you guys. So let's do it. The only noise I don't mind is of opening all of these packages. Of course, it's black. If you know, you know. I'm kind of loving the quality. The material is really good. Let me quickly try it on and show it to you guys. So this is how it looks. Really, really comfortable. Love the material. This is the entire set. So this was everything that I've shopped for my birthday so far. I don't know if I'm gonna shop for more or not. If I do, I'll make sure that I share everything with you guys. For now, let me know आप लोगों को सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा क्या लगा? Which dress was your favorite? Which bag did you like more? And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.